This is Cyndy G, and in this video we have the Groom favor box. So this is going to go together similar as the bride if you've already watched that. On this, because both pieces are black, you can tell which is which by the length of the pieces. So as you can see here, this box that I have put together is just a little bit longer than this. So this is the lid and that is the bottom. Okay, and here are the pieces. We've got the white pieces that make up the shirt. I've already glued the black for the buttons behind the piece with the holes. And then we're just going to layer these together to make our tuxedo shirt. So I'm just going to center this. And I think I might go ahead and put this on first, just so that I can see everything a little bit better. There we go. And then we're just going to center this just like this. Turn it sideways. I did ink the edges. I don't know if I already said that. I did ink the edges very, very lightly with my black dauber to just try to give some contrast here since it's all the same color so that you can see that it is like a layered shirt. So then I've been debating, I think I am going to put a small dot of glue. I'm not going to glue the whole thing down flat, but I think I just want it to lay a little better than it is. Got to hold this for a few seconds because this is a pretty tight fold, so it will easily pop it up. Gotta get that extra glue out of there. Darn. And I'm gonna let this dry. And I'm going to put together the bow tie while this is drying. So I've curled the edges and we're just going to take this around and we're going to glue it down to the center. And again, I'm just going to hold this a few seconds, make sure it is stuck before I move on. And I'm just putting just a slight crease right where this centerpiece comes in, just to help define it a little bit. And then I'm going to hold this down in the right spot. Hold that down for a few seconds. There we are. So there's my little bow tie. And now we're just going to glue this into place. And then our bow tie is going to go right in the center. I'm going to use my pin. And again, just hold this in place for a few seconds because there is pressure against the piece because of the sides of the bow are pushing down. So I just want to make sure that that is going to stay in place. Okay. And then we're going to glue the box shut. These boxes can easily be made bigger, just keep everything grouped together and size it as one piece so that, and keep proportions checked. So if you want more than just a small favor box, you can do that. These would be cute for something like prom or something. If you're having a prom party, you can have little favors. You can do them to match everybody's dress. Okay, that box is finished, and that is the Groom favor box. Thank you for joining me.